welcome to Everyday Delights. Today we are going to make a delicious bell pepper chili chicken. Try this Desi Asian recipe for your next party and tell us in the comments down below. Before we go ahead, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get our latest recipes. Let's get started. Let's start by making our fried chicken strips. I have taken boneless chicken breast here and I've cut it into medium elongated pieces. I'm adding some flour. We'll need around half a cup. Add about 3 to 4 heaped tablespoons of corn flour to that. Some red chili powder. Just according to taste. And about a spoonful of dark soy sauce. Some black pepper powder. And some salt. The last, let's add 1 egg. Now this egg is going to help the chicken bind really well. Let's give it a good mix. And we're going to need to add very little water at a time because we want a sticky batter. So just a couple spoons. Mix. Make sure all the pieces are well coated. The batter feels a little too thick, so I'm going to add another couple spoons of water. Very little. Right, so our chicken is ready. And let's give it a rest for 5 minutes and then we'll fry it. So I've kept oil for heating in a big kadhai. And the chicken is quite sticky, so drop it one piece at a time. Let's fry it till it's cooked through. That should take around 4 to 5 minutes at least, depending on the size of the chicken. Make sure you keep the pieces moving so that they don't stick. And once it's golden brown, let's take it out and on to the second batch. And then drop it at a little bit of distance. Keep it moving. Let's take them out, and our fried chicken pieces are ready. So for our bell pepper chili chicken, this is about 2 tablespoons of oil that I've kept in a pan. Once that's hot, let's add 2 spoons of chopped garlic, and to that 1 spoon of finely chopped ginger. Give it a mix. Now add 2 chopped green chilies. Let's fry it off. This takes around a minute, and make sure you keep everything continuously moving so that nothing burns. Okay, to that we're going to add dark soy sauce, some chili vinegar, green chili sauce, and some red chili sauce. You can switch out the sauces for the chili pastes as well. Give it a good mix, and let's add our sliced capsicums and our sliced bell peppers. I'm using red and yellow bell peppers here. Give it a good toss. Keep mixing. I'm adding some black pepper powder and a little bit of salt. Now remember, all the sauces already have a little salt, so add accordingly. Keep stirring. Add a little bit of water. This is just to thin down the sauces a little bit so that it coats our chicken well. And add your chicken pieces and give it a good mix. Make sure all the pieces are coated. I'm adding a small spoon of sugar here. This is only to balance off the flavors. and to balance off the tanginess of the sauces. Give it a good mix, and that's it. It's ready. Let's serve. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe if you haven't already. For the detailed recipe, visit our website www.theeverydaydelights.com. The link is in the description below. Thank you. See you next time with another recipe.